Hi, this is 10A. So we're looking at how to state the restrictions on the variables and to simplify. Sorry it's noisy in here. This is just, I'm in third period. All right, so first of all, we have to factor. We're looking at the first one. So the first step is to factor, next restrict, next to cancel. The first one right here, when we're going to factor it, this has a 1 in front. So we're looking at the factors of 1 are 1 and 1, and the factors of 3, which are 3 and 1. All right, from there we want to get positive 2. So that means 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 times 3 gives us 3. And then we're just trying to see which one, how can we get 2? Well, we're going to get 2 by putting a negative in front of the 1. So 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So that means this has to be a negative. And then there's our binomials. Our binomial is x plus 3 and x minus 1. All right, let's do it for the bottom one. This is 1 and 8. All right, so again, we have 1 and 1 and 8. And 1 and 8 give you 6? No, so that's not going to work. What about 4 and 2? Can 4 and 2 give you 6? Yeah. So it's x plus 4 and x plus 2 times, let's write down some of them here. All right, so for here we have a 1 and a 1 and a negative 8, so that was going to be a 4 and a 2 again. We want to get positive 2, so that means that is going to be a negative. So 1x plus 4 and 1x minus 2. Why is it negative 2? It's because 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 4 is 4. And then how can we use 4 and 2 to get positive 2? It's 4 minus 2, so then the negative comes on here. And then the last one right here, we get 1 and 1 and 6. And we're trying to get 1, so that we're going to use 3 and 2. And how can we get positive 1? Subtracting 3 minus 2. All right, so it's x plus 3 and x minus 2. So that's the first thing. Next thing, we are going to restrict. So looking at the denominators, so x doesn't equal, x can't equal negative 4. So you make this equal to 0, bring the 4 on the other side, and it becomes negative 4. Make this equal to 0, bring in the 2 on the other side, becomes negative 2. Make this equal to 0, bring the 3 on the other side, it's negative 3. Make this equal to 0, bring the negative 2 on the other side, it's 2. Right, factored, restrict, and now we have to cancel. So cancel the things that are on the top and the bottom. So here we can see that this one and this one cancels because it's on the top and bottom. We can see that this one and this one cancels because it's on the top and the bottom, and this one and this one. So then we're left with x minus 1 divided by x plus 2, and that's our final answer.